My name is Brian Connor. I'm from Edgewater, Maryland. Well, we're surrounded by the Chesapeake Bay. I'm a Marylander for all my life. Quit school when I was 16 years old. I've been in business since then. I've got two fine young men working for me. We own Road River Marina here in Edgewater, full service marina. We sell boats. And I have 7 beautiful grandchildren, and I've been married for 36 years. I have a 4-acre piece of property here down the street from my marina, and I'm building my son a house and a man cave. I had built a previous metal building many years ago, and when I looked online and did my research, I found Great Western Building. Received my building right after COVID. Everything checked out perfect as far as the inventory. We did our own foundation, and we put radiant floor heat in our building. We did something different that a lot of people don't do, is do an interior skin coat throughout the whole building, so the inside of the building looks like the outside of the building. So it makes it a real nice finish. And the insulation, we changed our insulation from a standard insulation to the thin line. Installers that build the building love that type of product versus just the old insulation that you get itchy. It makes you itchy. We did have an issue with the doors where we thought we were getting high lift doors and we didn't get high lift. I think it was a communication at the factory, but Eric made it right. You know, we got a hold of the door company, and you know, he ponied up and took care of the the cost of the differential. My building came in perfect. I didn't have any missing parts. So other than that, you know, it's been a great experience. So I'm extremely happy, and I can call him on his cell phone and he answers it. And I hope one day I could buy another building from him.